if you want to find an interpreter for conversations on Google Pixel 10 Pro, you can just simply use the Translate app, which you should be able to find in the app drawer by default. It should be pre-installed. However, in case you don't have this app, you can just go to the Play Store, you can write the Translate text over here, and you should be able to find Google Translate. Once you open the app, you should be able to find this conversation button over here on the left side, grant permissions, and now whatever you say out loud, it will be converted into the selected language. Of course, over here we can choose the source language and the target language. We can also tap on the microphone over here in order to stop the microphone. Stop the phone from using the microphone. And we can also tap on this icon in the upper right corner in order to use this view instead. So this vis-a-vis view, that might be also quite helpful. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.